Hello friends, today we will learn about solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. I am a huge hot star in the solar system. You don't look directly at me. I can hurt your eyes. Who am I? Yes, I am the sun. I am the nearest planet to the sun. I am the smallest planet in the solar system. Who am I? Yes, I am the Mercury. I am the second planet from the sun. I spin the opposite direction as Earth. Who am I? Yes, I am the Venus. I am the third planet from the sun. I orbited by one moon. I am also called as the blue planet and the living planet. Who am I? Yes, I am the Earth. I am the fourth planet from the sun. I am also called as the red planet. Who am I? Yes, I am the Mars. I am the fifth planet from the sun. I am the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Who am I? I am the Jupiter. I am the sixth planet from the sun. I have 82 moons. My nickname is the ringed planet. Who am I? Yes, I am the Saturn. I am the seventh planet from the sun. I have 27 moons. My nickname is Ice Giant. Who am I? Yes, I am the Uranus. I am the eighth planet from the sun. I am the farthest planet from the sun. My twin brother is Uranus. Who am I? Yes, I am the Neptune. So our 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.